How's it going? My name is Parker Lee. I was the guest trainer here for the first week in the September training of Details R here in Irwin, Pennsylvania. I was beyond honored to be invited here by Nicholas Vaco to help train the two students, outstanding
And
learners.
you did a great job.
Great job. I think I did too. I appreciate it. They're
So-
quick learners, and they caught on to everything pretty fast.
What do you think of the business training? Because you've been in business now a couple of years. You do quite well. Okay, you're in Virginia.
Yes.
Lee Creek Detailing.
Lee Creek Detailing.
So do you
Okay.
think you picked anything up at the business and marketing class that'll help you when you go back?
I do, yeah. Main thing was Google and SEO, and also the different rules and regulations on how to properly run a business.
Gotcha. So that's definitely going to help you out.
It is, yeah.
Yeah. And you also interjected some very good things too on Friday's business class. What about the exterior training yesterday? Paint corrections, ceramic coatings.
For the exterior training, the car we were working on was hammered. I'm talking
I'm gonna
paint. Yeah, there you go.
Do a quick spin of that now.
We did a full two-step paint correction on it. Ceramic coated the front end with Jade Obsidian, which is a 5 to 7 year graphene coating, and the back half we did
J-Jet, just to
Jade
give
Jet.
the students experience on how to
On
use both of
codes,
them.
Yeah. And they did amazing. They laid it down and.
And your participation was awesome too. What about today, the interior training day?
Interior training was pretty good. A little cramped, so I kind of just stood back and
Sure.
kind of said some pointers and everything. But yeah, the students were amazing. The trainers were awesome. It's a good environment. Everybody got along good. Would 100% recommend
Yep.
taking.
Thank you,
Details
and you
on.
did a great job. Greatly
Thank you.
appreciate you coming. Thank you
course.
so much, Parker.
Peace.
My man.